I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to set up notifications for your forms on your GforGov website. For more information on forms, please check out our videos on creating forms and on customizing forms, linked in the description below. First, you're going to want to find the form you would like to set up notifications for, and select Edit. Once in the editor, you're going to want to find the Email Notifications tab on the editor's sidebar. This is where you set up who can and will receive email notifications once a form is filled out. Select Plus Add Email Notification here. At the top of this new menu, you'll notice a label. This is what this notification will be called in the editor for organizational purposes. Next is the subject, which will be your subject for the email. And then you can customize what the body of your email will say. To transfer fields to the email, select this box in the top of the body field. If this is the first notification being set up, by default, all fields will be selected. If this is not the first notification, there will not be any fields selected, and you will want to go and select which option you'd like for the email. You can choose all form fields, all non-empty fields, or an individual singular field. I'll go with all non-empty fields. And finally, you can either choose to upload files as attachments or add none. Next, you'll scroll back up and go to Recipients. This is where you type the emails of those who will receive this notification. If you would like to put multiple emails, you can do so by separating them with a comma. You can also choose to send the email notification to whoever filled out the form if one of your form questions was for them to enter their email. Simply hit the plus and find the email question. Be sure to separate with a comma. Next to this default tab, you will notice an email routing option. This is optimal if you would like to send the notification to specific people if certain fields are filled out, such as having a drop-down question where the user selects their department. This ensures the email makes it to the correct people, depending on who fills out the form. Add a rule, enter the specific email you'd like a conditional field to send to, select the question you'd like to be the conditional field, and you can either have it send if something is selected or not selected. The next tab, Advanced, is where you can customize other aspects of the email. You can include a from name, a from email, a reply to email, a carbon copy email, or a blind carbon copy email. You will not need to add an email to the from field. However, if you do add one, it must end in @gforgov.app, or the email will be marked as spam. Last, you can go to Conditions. Conditions allow you to set notifications to either send or not send if certain conditions on the form are met. For instance, if you have a question with two options and you only want to receive a notification of the form being complete if one of those options was selected over the other, this is where you can customize that. Once everything is set up, go to the bottom and select Add. You can choose to add another notification as well if you'd like. Select Update, and then go back to your website form and fill out a dummy form to make sure that everything works the way you like. And here is how the email will appear.